Alright guys, so I'm here at A1 powder coating to check out the frame and see how it came out. These guys pretty awesome, so if you want anything done, check out A1 powder coating. Right, they're in Bootle, great guys, always bring bought my stuff here and always had a good job at a good price. Cheers. Hey guys, so just an update on the project. So we've already done the powder coating and stuff. So sandblasting, so it's been sandblasted, and that we're gonna have powder coated. So, but we're going back to the engineers to be welded, and then it's coming back. So let me know. I've got color in mind. Let me know what you guys think on color I should go for. Yeah, thanks. I'll keep you posted. Ciao. So here's a better view of what's been happening. So it's sandblasted, so we're gonna do some work on it to fix all the rusted bits. So all the square tubing that's been rusted. Yeah. So there you can see all the square, the round tubing, all is still good. There's just some on the squares. So here's also the wishbone that seems to have rotten through. It seems that all the round tubing seems to be rotting through.